Yeah. Today, I want to double down on this thing of gatekeeping as a solution to our problems. Remember, I was saying to you last time, Uguti, you need to gatekeep so that you can protect your intellectual property, so you can create opportunities for you to create generational wealth, so that you can protect access to the generational wealth, so that you can keep track of what your contributions are and own them. Yeah, to keep away people who are going to exploit you, so you can protect everything that is your community. It becomes easy to protect your community if you gatekeep. That's what the chat was about last time. And I want to double down on that quickly. And it's funny because being eating up in the streets of X, and then a young man said something. Listen to what he has to say here.
Apha eSouth Africa siboqatshiwe nje thina. Wonke umuntu ofika apha uyasiqatsha. Kwafika belungu bayasiqatsha. Kufika amaChina bayasiqatsha. Kufika amaNdiya ayasiqatsha. Kufika amakula ayasiqatsha. AmaSomalia, amaNigeria ayasiqatsha. Wonke umuntu ofika apha siyamsebenzela. Yabo. Thina we don't think uba nathi we can be employers. We don't think beyond employment, just being employees. Yabo. Even iSouth African eya kwamanye amazwe always go as umsebenzi. Sozuvuka iSouth African ihambile eChina yafika yavula ikhampani phaa yaqasha amaChina. Uya ngokomsebenzi phaa, yabo. It's always about work. Even nxa ukhompena into zarhulumente, it's always about employment, yabo. So even on that 24 leya kaSeptember kuthiwa Heritage Day, which is just a fashion show, even impahla ezi abantu bazinxibayo kuthiwa eze-culture, we don't ask ourselves uba ezi factories zenza ezi mpahla, who owns them, yabo. Fumaniseka uba ayiba abantu abamnyama, yabo. Bawina even ngeculture yethu, yabo. Yenza sense loo nto. Soze ubone umuntu omnyama kuthiwa wenza impahla zamaChina, wenza impahla zamakula, wenza impahla zamaNdiya. Never see that. Kodwa thina amaChina asenzela impahla and siyazithenga, siyazinxiba. We don't ask no questions, yabo. So we really have to change mindset yethu and see ourselves beyond just being workers, yabo. Sisifundisa uba we are just as capable as creating imisebenzi for ourselves njengezinye izizwe, yabo.
So first of all, it seems like umkhizi uyazwela. Impela ngathi umkhizi is becoming imvula, because you are seeing a lot of these young people coming up and literally literally ngathi they are part of the crew of the people who follow this channel. Some of them are not even aware of what we are doing here. So lo mkhizi ukuthi nivuleke umqondo, the rapture, as I was saying, uyafika noma ungawubani, because as you have a saying ngesizulu, imvula inethela noma ungawubani, inothela wonke umuntu. And it seems like that's where we are. Uyazwela manje umkhizi. And the young ones are going to be the ones to save us, because usimende wabo kaqini kakhulu. Bayarealize futhi kuba lula kubona ukuthi mabe realize they communicate with each other about this thing. And they are not afraid to communicate ideas. And you know, from what he was talking about, it's very true how things happen. Sibonge i-super chat lapho Nhlanhla lakhe lehlokonolo. I'm very grateful for those contributions. They help us to keep the ship going. So the realization that is happening, it needs to double back to there's a lot of people who are also trying to get onto the same road, who are traveling the Luhambo, who are trying to find a way out of our self-enslavement, because it's self-enslaved. So as I was saying, Jobe Van Apana in that TikTok video of his, you are not going to escape a situation like that where you become a permanent servant of all nations. You're not going to escape it via the good book or the Torahs and the Qurans and all those things, where it is enshrined in all those books that essentially you are a slave and it's okay to be a slave. The God of the Torahs and the Qurans and the Bible created you to be servant to other races, and they utilize those books to legitimize their enslaving of you, to make it acceptable to you to allow it to happen. Because they are not going to force you into servitude if you didn't want. So you allowed it to happen as a people in the race because you had no notion of the idea of gatekeeping. Because essentially what gatekeeping is translated in terms of black consciousness, the consciousness of black people, gatekeeping to us feels like ukuba nomhobholo, being what's the word in English? Self-centered, self-serving, selfish kind of thing. We tend to gravitate away from such a notion because as a people in the race, we have a quality of openness. Some say we have a philosophy or a mindset of abundance. We don't have the mindset of scarcity like other people, which is true to a degree. But I would say, I'm adding to that, no, the issue here is that we are averse to and we dislike the notion of selfishness. Technically, we're people who think ukunxishana is a bad thing. So we take that and we exploded it and had no safeguards to it, because why would you need safeguards if you don't believe in ukunxisha abanye abantu? When people come to you, then you open your arms, you open your hands. You don't even check whether they're enemies or friends or what have you. You see, mawukhishwa inyama lapha esibayeni ngade nihlabile ekhaya, you open for everyone to come and eat. No one is crying, no, hayi ndoda ngathi usuthatha idombolo kakhulu nenyama usuyayiqeda. No, because we frown upon the thing. We teach ourselves, no, there's enough for everyone. And this is why you are divided and you are conquered. Your own temperament has brought you here. They were able to divide and conquer you because of your own temperament. And they would say the black man is very naive. We can easily make slaves out of them. You must go and do the research. All the diaries, Zabo, Vasco da Gamas, and what's the other one? The other fraud. Ooh, the Spanish, who is not Spaniard really. Columbus. Even Conrad, when he's writing his The Dark Continent, must read these things of what they really thought because you see, they were more able to express their opinions and their true thoughts in the times where it was okay for them to classify you as not a human. When they were agreeing with each other that you are not a human being, they said a lot of things that that they were honest about you, because I mean they didn't expect you to eventually uzofunda nokuthi ufunde incwadi, because even today it's still difficult for you to pick up a book. Because if all of you picked up a book, you'd be very quickly, upset, and you'd realize the things that I'm saying without me having to tell you. So you were divided and you were conquered, and you remain so because of your inability to gatekeep. Gatekeeping says a man, a woman, a child from China cannot come into our neighborhood and set up a business and we go and support them. Nikhala ngabantu bangaphandle abokufika abanjani bavule ama-spaza shop. Who is leasing those containers to them? Who's allowing them to sit and make business in their community? Who sends their children to go buy amaswiti namakhekhe to them? And noodles that eventually cause children poisoning. The fault is not with the other people. I mean, this is why, I don't feel ashamed of saying certain things, and I don't really spend too much time talking about the common narrative, because you are not doing black people a great service by not telling them the truth. The truth is, it is us as black people. Whether you find us in America, you find us in Britain, wherever you find us, we have this very shoddy way of thinking, where we don't gatekeep anything. Yonke into yethu ivulekile for anyone to just come in. As long as we just can get up and say, yeah, no, I'm going to work. Jabla futhi, because you know that you are going to work for someone who doesn't look like you. The way you take pride for working for people who don't look like you is amazing to me. Umuntu osebenzela umlungu is extremely happy and prideful compared to someone who works for someone who looks like them. You may be paying your people, a bigger salary, a much more living wage than Ubas John, but they will not be happy. They will not be more happier than when they are working for Ubas John for 2,000 rand a month. Uma Kotwakit was complaining about helpers because they keep changing them, because these people don't. Uthi la bantu bangixaka, because when they are working for Amandia and being helpers in their homes, Amandia behave in the most abusive way. Bayabakhiyela, and they are not allowed to come out until bashayis, for one. And mabehamba bayabasesha, and all manner of strangely abusive things. But they stay with them for years. Mina like how mangibaletha ukuthi they must come and work for me. On Fridays we look in the fridge ukuthi what can we take, because usually we cook a lot and then we don't eat a lot. You give them nasemakhabetheni ukuthi no, tatala, on top of paying them. Hayi umuntu sontshontshela. Hawu amatekami I mean, what is that? What is that? You explain to me the mentality behind it. How do you end up in a situation where there is a people who simply cannot find themselves able to work with each other and for each other, but will rather be in their best behavior and excited and gleeful for working for people who hate them to the core? You know very well these people don't take you for anything. They don't even believe that you are human beings. They think you are apes of some kind. Even if they're not saying it anymore, they know that it's what they believe. They always have fruit and slips about it. But you go there and you are cheerful, you are happy and excited, and you make excuses about, no, but you're okay. Thinking it's here. It's not that those people. That's like corner lento. Answer. You do not have the mentality that is required to be a thriving society. And this is why they have not given up on trying. They're trying by all means because to them, they feel like, these people are just wasting space. Meanwhile, you have given your sweat, blood, and tears to them for thousands of years. You chose to be cowards and you gave your whole bodies and lives to them. Because they never built anything without your blood, sweat, and tears. That's why they just cannot understand. Because they only know you. This is your identity. This is what they know you for. They only know you for free labor. They've been accustomed to it. That's what they grew up to you doing. You just take anything. If they want to pay you, you are happy as hell that you are getting paid and you'll be here every day. You come to me, I will pay you imali ukuthi uhambe uthenge isinto sabantu abakho. Uyangibhampela, you don't show up. Ngalesikhathi sivumelane ngaso. Some weeks you come, some weeks you don't come. Injalo ke Jento. Injalo. Spell. If you've been in this channel, you definitely conclude on that part. And that's exactly what we are talking about. You have these spells and it's working. God's spell. Ingakho ngasho ngathi phumani emasontweni. Phumani emasontweni. Phumani emasontweni. Take those books abanifunza zona emasontweni and start reading them like a person ofundisiwe. Take a highlighter and start analyzing. I gave you a decoding what's the word, algorithm. Gave you a lot of videos here talking about this spell. This book is a book of spells, Namatwalo. When you approach it this way. Examples no. Excuse me. This is what they're saying in this book. I even made a long video about how the secrets of wisdom are double to that which is. When you read something, read it to get the proper meaning. Don't just take these things as if they're something that is holy, because they are not. So, Jento, you're very correct what you are saying in the chat. You know, But we cannot stop trying to preach this thing, because uma singawuqhumisa usimende emakhanda enu, sizoba nenkinga, because the cycle will continue for another 2060 years. You are so happy being servants to everyone. You don't gatekeep. Because, I'm saying these things because this is part of me giving you solutions. And the solution here is learn to gatekeep. No one should ever enter into a black community without your approval and limitation. Gatekeep. I would say even, there's some communities, abantu abamnyama, right? Because in the way they're located, you literally could put a boom gate. Because you know what they've done with our communities? They put one gate, one road that leads out, one road that leads in. So we ask into this community. You can put a boom gate there. And any car that comes in, you must explain themselves why are they there. But because you are not serious about life, you will never think about that and how important that is. Because sizigcina sineyinkinga zobugebengu and all things ezilethwa abantu abangasifuni, because izinto zama-drugs nani azingeni kwi-community yethu, azakhanda kwi-community yethu. Abantu bethu abazi nokuthi ihlanganiswa kanjani i-chemistry yopowder omhlophe lama-crystal lawa ashiswayo. You don't know how to do lento lento. They are serious. Breaking Bad. You don't have the knowledge and the know-how in Breaking Bad. That's why I always keep saying, Utila, it's not possible ukuthi you have Okhet Matlala beshaya or 300 million. Wasn't Okhet Matlala with 300 million? There are people behind. You can't have abantu beshaya or billion. There's always going to be these guys behind, because bayazi kahle imali ukuthi intshontshwa kanjani. Thina sithuswa u-1,000 juluke, ukuthola nje 1,000 uvela ujuluke same time. There are always going to be these guys behind laba bantu bethu laba abasluphayo. And it's easy because nala abantu abasetshenziswayo do not have the mentality of gatekeeping. It should be very simple. Why would you want me to steal from my people? It's a very simple question. Yabo, ungithatha kancane. Who do you think I am? Am I not black? Because what you are doing to me, you are going to do to the other people, the other person. It should be a simple thing. It's a no-brainer, this thing. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Even you go to the governments, or Cyril Laba, or Thabo, or Ban, all the policies that come before them, bayawazi, they have seen ama result awo, because they've documented everything emhlabeni. We are not the first country to go through these policies that we are going through. And all the countries who've gone through the same policies have collapsed completely. Ngoba you adopt ama policies acindezela ukuthuthuka kwesizwe semnyama. And you are okay with that. Of course, they can't do that on their own. Someone is telling them, they Cyril, do this. In fact, the entire ANC is captured. Vele, it was designed by people who was several purposely. We talk about that in this channel all the time. So you're not going to get gatekeeping from the political setup, which is why I'm now saying to you, you are divided and conquered. Young people, as you are realizing these things that you are realizing, whatever you decide to do about it, whatever you decide to do about it, do not give it to the political machine. Never allow it to go into the political machine, because in the political machine is all stooges and agents who work for foreign interest. Do not find a way. Don't waste time taking to the street and toy and writing song. Find a way. As you are realizing these things, get into the activity. Don't try to convince anyone somewhere who is in power. Find a way. And once you find that way, gatekeep like your life depends on it. Ningabi namahloni ugatekeeper. You know, the same way that you keep from each other, money, and you are driving and you're the first black person at the table, the way you do the gatekeeping there too against each other, you must do it to the other people. Your interest should be every table in Shalagyon, there must be a black face. Not one, not two, not three. More. The dominant presence in the table in Shalagyon must be a person that looks like me. Whether it's a woman or child, but it must look like me. Ningavumi amatafula enhlala kuwona ukuthi kube nezizwe ezizana engazazi. Kube izona eziphathayo. Never allow that. Dominate the spaces the way you dominate sports and whatnot and all those things. Even those sports and entertainment things that you are good at, start taking control of them. If you're an artist, you're a musician, you're this and this, stop taking contracts and giving off your masters to people you don't even know. If you can, buy back your masters. If you have to be part of my managers, don't get a manager that doesn't look like you. Of course, you're going to have to keep tabs on him and make sure that I can grow, but we have to push each other to a point where we can work with each other. Get and replace him with another black person. Asikwazi ukuyidlalisa le. Singayidlalisi le. Lena nje ifuna ukudlaliswa. Back to what we were talking about.